Welcome back to Global Business America, where we take you further. I'm Michelle McCory in New York City. Australia's stock market gained some ground on Thursday after a roller coaster ride earlier this week. It hit a 6-year low and then staged a huge comeback. Now, CCTV's Greg Navarro reports the wild ride is not over yet.
From the outside of the Australian Stock Exchange in Sydney, some people needed a second look at the ASX board Monday, awash in red.
There's a lot of pain out there. A lot of people will be losing money.
That pain was the result of more than 6 billion Australian dollars wiped from the market's value. Financial stocks took a massive hit. Major banks, along with commodity stocks, fell by around 2%. All of it prompted a call for calm from the federal government.
These stock market difficulties seem to be associated with a bit of a bubble in China and fears about a slowing Chinese economy. The good thing is that we haven't seen any ramifications from the stock market in capital markets more generally.
Just one day later, the markets here posted its strongest gains in 4 years, fueled by investors piling back in, looking for bargains.
Banks were the big targets, some rebounding by almost 4%.
They have now got down to the bottom of their valuation ranges. We haven't seen these values for some time. And I think that's compelling, and that's what's drawing cash in on from the sidelines.
Mining sector stocks also attracted hungry investors, but the impact wasn't enough to ease years of slumping commodity prices.
Australia is still seen very much as a commodity economy, and because of that, our stock market really does well when commodity prices are on the way up, and commodity prices have been on the way down since 2012.
The global volatility pushed the Aussie dollar to a new 6-year low, down to around 70 US cents. But analysts don't believe it's a sign of a weakening economy. CEO of Fat Profits Angus Geddes says the market correction is a good thing.
This is what stock markets do. They don't move in one direction, always to the upside. You know, you're going to get these corrective phases coming through, and you know, we've had a decent correction. Arguably, you know, it's been too long in the making.
And many experts predict there's more investor pain to come before the market's wild ride is over. Greg Navarro, CCTV, Sydney.